Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. What's the biggest lie in learning a language? It's that you need a language partner, a native speaker, or an expensive tutor to make real progress. Honestly, I believed that for years. I was completely stuck, constantly waiting for the perfect person to show up so I could practice. But what happens if you don't have that person? What if you are shy or simply you cannot afford a tutor? I was right there with you. Today, I will show you my 3 simple steps to practice English alone. These steps will make you confident. But wait, stay until the end. I have a bonus step, and that is the most important, biggest secret you will ever get for learning English. It is a game changer. If you want to speak better English without any help, without anyone, keep watching. This is how I practiced English alone. Step 1. The shadow copy method. Let's start with step number 1. And this one helped my pronunciation or how I speak words and also my sound. You know, the tone, the rhythm, etc. The shadow copy method. Shadowing is simple. You listen to a speaker, an English speaker, and then you try to speak exactly like the speaker with the same pronunciation, with the tone, the rhythm, etc. You follow the speaker exactly. You are their shadow, their copy. You do not worry about new words here. You only follow their tone, their high and low voice. The beats. The beats here means the beat of the speech. You might be imagining, do we speak with a beat? Is this music? No, you have a beat when you speak. So try to follow that beat. Try to understand how they connect words. Okay, here's what you do. You first find a short clip, the TED Talk or any news clip. It should have a short and clear audio. Listen to it one time to understand. Then listen to it again and start speaking out loud. Try to copy their speed and their sound perfectly. Here you are training your ear and mouth at the same time. You're speaking, your mouth is getting the practice. When you're saying it out loud, your ears are listening and your ears are also learning English. This is the closest thing to a real conversation when you are all alone. Step 2. The write and say conversation. Step number 2 is for people who cannot think what to say quickly. We know we should write in English to improve our English, but here let's use it actively. Let's make it active, meaning let's start using it to speak. We have 2 parts here, part A and part B. You start with part A, the writing. Write a short story or 2 about your day or your favorite movie review or opinion about a movie. But here's the trick. Listen carefully. Write it like you're talking to a friend. Yes, like you're having a conversation. Use simple, common English speaking words like, oh wow, honestly, I like. Next, part B, the speaking. Now stand up and read what you just wrote out loud like you are having a conversation. Do not just read it quietly, act it out. You imagine like you're talking to a friend. Pretend the camera is your friend. Use your hands. This step helps you take a thought in your head and turn it into a spoken sentence. This will make you feel much more confident, sure about yourself. This will make you sure about yourself. You will know that, yes, I'm doing something, I know something, I can speak English really well. Step 3, the narrator game. Now, the most fun, the most enjoying but strange step, the narrator game. If you can do step number 3, you will never need a partner. Call this the narrator game or storyteller game. You are going to be the English voice for your own life. Everything you see, everything you do, everything you think, you say it out loud in English. Start small. When you clean your house, say it. Say, I'm putting the dishes in the sink. The water is running. Oh, I need to get the sponge. Then make it harder. Talk about your feelings and your emotions. Talk about your plans. Say, I feel a little worried today, but I'm excited to watch a movie later. You are changing the way your brain works. This is the ultimate, the best test to find words and build sentences very fast. This is where your brain stops translating and start thinking directly in English. You won't need any help. You will start thinking directly in English. Now what you might be doing is you will be thinking about a sentence in your native language and you are translating each word into English. After this step, you will start thinking directly in English. So those are my 3 steps to improve your English very fast alone. Step 1, shadowing for your sound. Step 2, the right and same method for speaking English fluently. And step 3, the narrator game to start thinking directly in English. But remember the bonus step I promised you? This is the biggest, most important tip for success. All of these things work well only if you have consistency, meaning you do it every day. 15 minutes of one of these steps every day is much better than 1 hour one day in a week. Your real partner is the calendar. Do not wait for a person. Make the time yourself. Practice English every day, even if you don't have enough time. If you're very busy, you have a very tight schedule today, at least listen to an English song. But don't let English leave you any of the day. Now, I want to listen to your story. We all make mistakes and that's how we learn. Tell me about the most funniest or the embarrassing mistake you have ever made while speaking English. Sharing your story will make everyone else feel less lonely. And I'll be down there replying to all your comments. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. It tells me to make more videos like this. And if you want more easy English learning tips, make sure you subscribe. I truly believe these steps are the key to your fluency. This video is going to change your English journey forever. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.